Okay, here's a good question. It says you got two six-sided dice are rolled, and then what's the probability that the sum of the two numbers on the dice will be greater than 9? So what you first have to do, I guess what we want to have is favorable things on the top. And in this case, it'll be how many ways can I get a 9? Over the bottom will be the total number of things that can happen. So if you think about a die, you can have some from 1 to 6 on one die, and then you can have, of course, 1 to 6 on the other die. And if you do a combination of those, so if you get 1 and 1 or snake eyes, you get 1, 1, etc. So if you look at the total number of ways of getting things, you have, it looks like there's 6 times 6 or 36 different things that could happen. You can also figure that out by just going 6 choose 1. So you have a six-sided die and you have to choose one side, times 6 choose 1, and that'll give you the other die. So I think that comes out to, hopefully, comes out to 36. Now I've got to figure out the total number of ways of getting a 9. Well, 4 and 5 is 9, so there's 1. There's another one, 5 and 4. And then 6 and 3 is 9. 3 and 6. I think that's all. All the others give you 8 or 10. I've gotten 12. It looks like there's just 4 of them. So the favorable, the ones that add up to 9, there'll be 4 of them. So if I simplify that fraction, I think you'll come out to 1/9. So the probability that you'll roll a 9 is 1/9. They don't have that answer. Oh, I reread the question. It says, what's the probability it will be greater than 9? So I got to pick all the one. Oh, so 9 won't work. So I can't just have 4. And these ones won't work because it has to be greater than 9. So if it has to be greater than 9, those ones won't work. So it has to be 10 or 11 or 12. So here's a 10. There's a 10. There's another 10. A couple of 11s and a 12. So altogether it looks like there's 6 of those. So 6 out of 36 comes out to 1/6. So if the question had been, what's the probability of getting a 9, it would have been 1/9. But what's the probability of getting a number greater than 9? It would be 10 and 11, 12. There's 6 of those. 6 out of 36, 1/6. There we go.